Welcome back, student. The last point of this chapter, that is the scope, application, and uses. Before the starting this chapter, in previous video we have learned about the linear, non-linear function, frequency distribution, their problem and their solution. In this video, we are going to start last topic, that is a scope, application, and the uses of a biostatistics. Let's see what is the difference between scope, application, and the uses. Scope, that means if we have a knowledge of that subject, we do career in a different field, that is known as a scope. Application, if we have a knowledge of that subject, we can application do for that subject or that branches. For example, if I have a knowledge of biostatistics, I have a knowledge of biostatistics that can be applicable for the farming, computational, computer analysis, or the data analysis. Different jobs are available, that are the application. And the uses of biostatistics, that means data from the biostatistics. For example, anybody have done research in a biostatistics, that data can be analysis further way, that is known as a uses. For example, xyz person having doing the research on the biostatistics, and that data can I use, that is known as a uses of a biostatistics. Let's start. Biostatistics is widely scope in a daily life and the importance of a huge data. Biostatistics having importance in a daily life, as well as we are doing the or the learning about the data. For example, we are the counting the number of transaction by the different medium. We are harvesting the crop, that also one type of a data in a daily life. We are eating a food that having some calories, that is one type of data. We are going to school, come to home, that driving time, that is one type of data having a various function in a daily life. There are not possible human without the use of a biostatistics. I have explained. Bio means living things, and the statistics means collection, arrangement, analysis, and the interpretation of data. There is a no any human without the use of data. Simple concept are given here. ऐसा आदमी ही नहीं हो सकता जो बायोस्टैटिस्टिक्स के बिना जी सकता है. सिंपल कंसेप्ट दिया है. फॉर एग्जांपल, we are breathing. During the breathing, we take oxygen and they expel the CO2 gas. During that process, oxygen take by the heart, and the heart there is a blood circulation start, and the blood circulation, the pure form of blood are sent to the different organ, that is having the some quantity. For example, our heartbeat will be pump, or the heartbeat will be interact, and on this basis heartbeat can be expressed in a data. Next is the to description of data, design, comparison of data, and determine the probability, that is the one type of uses. And the scope, description of data. If you have a data, that data can be described, compare that data, design that data, and to determine the probability. For example, we are going to college from 10:30 we are starting traveling to the college. We have a predict data. For example, 3 kilometer run we have to take in a 10 minutes, and that college having the 15 kilometer from your home, you can easily predict. We 3 kilometer predict in a 10 minutes, then how time required to got to college or to come to the college, that can be easily done by the data or the biostatistics. The research, there are different journal of biostatistics use are a open access, give free access literature for a research. There are different journal of a biostatistics. They give a free access for the student. For example, anybody done a research on the biostatistics, any person can access that journal or that information. Next is the free online software of available of biostatistics, such as translating data. For example, translating data, if you type in a type on Google, convert milligram into gram, that is known as a translation of a data. Online software are available on the net. Summarizing data in computer or mobile, there is a calculator is available. That calculator, it is a one type of instrument of biostatistics. Processing and the analysis of data software also available in a market as well as on the Google. Biological experiment also used in a biostatistics in the living things, such as a pulse rate, blood pressure rate. Such processes are involved in a data. For that, biological analysis or biological processes are contribute with the data. Statistics used in a different branches of biology. I always explain or always tell that the statistics is a interdisciplinary science. Without statistics, biology it can't explain. In genetics, we study the Mendelian ratio. For that, a chi-square test are used. The father of genetics, Dr. Gregor Mendel, are given a most important concept of a genetics, that is known as a Mendelian law. But law are proved with the help of a chi-square test. Chi-square test, it is nothing but the scientist Chi that develop a test. That test is known as a chi-square test. The different biological concepts, statistical knowledge such as a mutation effect, migration rate, isolation, and selection of a plant material. For that, statistical is applicable. Let's see what is a mutation effect. Mutation effect, that means if you mutated gene number 23, we can predict the effect with the help of probability, and probability is a statistical concept. Mutation means, suppose we have a changes in a gene number 25 and we predict the gene 25 changes the human body how much percentage. That prediction concept is the probability, and the probability it is a statistical. Next, it is a migration rate. For example, 25 people from A area to move into B area, that is a migration rate that can explain with the help of a biostatistics. Isolation and the selection of plant material. Isolation means, for example, we have plant 100 trees. Out of that 75 is successful, 25 is a damage or the not successful tree or the plant. That can be easily done with the help of a biostatistics. In ecology and the environment, biostatistics having the most important role. Ecology and the environment, it is nothing but the interaction of a biotic as well as a abiotic factor that can be explained, or that rate can be compared with the help of a correlation analysis. Correlation means correlate biotic and the abiotic factor. In taxonomy statistic, taxonomical unit or on the basis of different character are studied. For example, number of leaves are present, number of pollen grain are present. Number, that is a statistical, pollen grain, that are that taxonomical concept. It is also used in a biology of environment biology, cell biology, physiology, that are different types of processes are related with the number or the biostatistical concept. That are the scope, uses, and the application of biostatistics. These presentation are made with the help of www.google.com, www.slideshare.com, www.slideserver.com, and the special reference, the book of a TYBSc Botany, paper number 6, computational botany. The author are Dr. Dhulgande Govind S, Dr. Sangare Sunil M, Success Publication 2050, Pune University. That are the whole chapter number 1, introduction to biostatistics. If you have any doubts, any question, comment below section. Thank you.